What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Start Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I have some cheap dividend stocks to buy right now. These are actually all of them that I own, and I still have this dry cough. I actually had my first workout, and it feels really good. I had a nice chest workout, but I still have this dry cough. Since the start of January, I had some bug, and it just sucks. But I'm still thrilled to do videos for you guys, and stamina is coming up, which is good. And remember, dividends are important to increase your net worth, increase your share count. That way you can get that dividend snowball effect to kick in. And tomorrow I will reveal to you what I did with TSLY tomorrow. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check these cheap dividend stocks out right now. The one cheap dividend stock that I capitalized on is KeyCorp. KEY is a symbol. It has a dividend yield of 5.59%, a PE ratio of 16.67. It's actually a pretty strong regional bank and financial sector stock. Average volume is 17.16 million. Market cap is 13.74 billion US dollars. Year range is 854 to 2030. So I definitely have 400 plus shares of them, almost averaging $100 quarterly. Day range is 1452 to 1477. Previous close is 1454. So I'm going to go over their revenue trends and dividend history because, again, revenue trends are important because if revenue is not good, you ain't going to have a pretty good dividend hike. So that's a problem. Revenue is usually correlated with dividend hikes in the confidence of the board of directors. Let's check out the revenue. So studying the revenue trends, this is annually in millions US dollars. There's an increase in revenue from 2016 to 2022. So 2016, 5,390, 2017, 6,868, 2018, 7,393, 2019, 7,694, 2020, 7,337. I'll blame the pandemic. 2021, 7,561, and 2022, 8,130. So there is an increase in revenue, and let's check out their dividend history. So I'm going to start in 2019. It was 17 cents to 19 cents. Little stagnant from 2019 to 2020. I'll blame the pandemic. And then in 2021, it jumped from 19 cents to 20 cents. And then in 2022, it jumped to 21 cents. So I'm hoping it'll hit 22 cents soon. So because of the pandemic, they got a little bit of a the dividend growth was a little stagnant. They have a payout ratio of 66%. I'm not too worried. Number of dividend increases in the last 3 years is, the last 5 years is 3. Dividend growth in 5 years is 3.68%. So if you bought one share, you made 82 cents with a 5.64 dividend yield. So that is a high yield dividend stock, and it's a cheap dividend stock. And I have 400 plus shares in my etrade dividend portfolio. Now, let's jump to the next dividend stock. This is another one that I've been capitalizing on. I'm close to 100 shares in my M1 Finance dividend portfolio, Regions Financial Corp, sitting at $19.15. RF is a signal. Its dividend yield is 5.01%, a PE ratio of 9.09. Average volume, 9.12 million. The market cap is 17.69 billion US dollars. Year range is 1372 to 2433. Day range is 1902 to 1934. Previous close is 1913. So it has not done well since the pandemic. I wish I got this at 826 and just threw it in M1 Finance. So now it's 1915. So it is starting to do well recently, but it's still not keeping up with the S&P in the past 5 years since the financial sector took a huge hit during the pandemic. So I'm going to jump to its revenue trends and dividend history. And again, I love these huge regional banks and financial sector stocks because they usually increase their revenue and then you have dividend growth. So Annually in millions US dollars, 2016 it was 5,825, 2017 5,949, 2018 6,356, 2019 6,712, 2020 6,655, 2021 6,605, 2022 7,531. My long-term goal, I do want to get 400 plus shares in these guys because the dividend growth can be phenomenal with them. So that's one thing that I'm excited for is to get to eventually 100 plus shares and then hopefully get to 400 plus shares because I'm going to show you the dividend growth and it's quite impressive. So I'm going to start in 2018, it was 9 cents, then it jumped to 14 cents, and then 2019 it jumped to 16 cents, little stagnant because of the pandemic, and then in 2021 17 cents, 2022 20 cents, and then 2023, 2024 it hit 24 cents. So their dividend growth in 5 years is 10.47%. Payout ratio according to Zacks is 43%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 4. So if you bought one share, you made 96 cents with the 5.02% dividend yield. That's excuse me, that is very attractive, and you can tell I still have this dry cough. So let's jump to another dividend stock. And I love this one, and they've been down for a while, so I've been capitalizing on buying them. Wendy's, the fast food Wendy's. And guess what? I'm pretty sure they're inside SCHD's portfolio. Sitting at $19.18, a dividend yield of 5.21%, a PE ratio of 20.57, average volume 2.73 million, the market cap is 3.96 billion US dollars. Year range is 1819 to 2390, day range is 1913 to 1935. Previous closes 1910. So the revenue, they are starting to expand, which is very exciting. Now I'm going to jump to their revenue trends and dividend history. And this is what I love. They're making a comeback. So this is annually in millions US dollars. 2016, 1,435. 2017, 1,223. 2018, 1,589. 2019, 1,709. 2020, 1,733. 2021, 1,896. And 2022, 2,095. So there's a huge increase in revenue. And I'm going to jump to the dividend history. So I'm going to start in 2019, and the pandemic had them cut their dividend, but they're making a huge comeback. So 2019 it was 10 cents, 2020 it was 12 cents. Then the dividend cut hit. During the pandemic it was 5 cents. Then it was 7 cents, and then 2021 9 cents to 10 cents, and then in 2021 12 cents. 2022 is 13 cents. Then they declare their dividend to 25 cents. So their dividend growth in 5 years is 25.43%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 8. Dividend growth. So if you bought one share, you made $1 with a 5.24% dividend yield. That one is really impressive, and I cannot wait to get to 100 shares with Wendy's because they're doing so well. They're always busy in line, and I love their burgers. I'm not gonna lie, their stuff that they have as a fast food restaurant is really good. Everything there is good, and it's obviously I'm slimming down and stuff, but I love Wendy's. Great. I mean I prefer them over McDonald's with burgers. So let's jump to the final dividend stock, and I love this business development company, Capital Southwest Corporation. So they took a huge hit during the pandemic. Their dividend yield is 9.68%, a PE ratio of 13.77. The average volume is 382.85K. Market cap is 998.38 million US dollars. Year range is 1634 to 2551. Day range is 2475 to 2507. Previous close was 2481. Now this business development company has done very well. I have posted numerous videos on them, and I'm going to show you their revenue trends and dividend history. And for a business development company, these guys are a beast. This is annually in millions US dollars. 2016, $9.16. 2017, $23.47. 2018, $35. 12, 2019 51, 88, 2020 602, 2021 68, 2022 82, and 2023 119. So that's a huge increase in revenue. Now, as a business development company, 90% of what they make have to go back to investors. You can correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section, but that's very attractive. Now let's jump to the dividend history. This is what I love about CSWC. Look at this comeback that they've done. So 2018 was a quarterly dividend, 44 cents, 48, 46 cents, 48, 49 cents, 50 cents. Then in 2019, it looked a little drop, 40 cents. And then we get 51 cents. And then 2021, 52 cents, 53, 54. And then you have a special dividend of 97 cents. And then in 2022, 48 cents, and you get a special dividend of 63 cents. Then in 2022 is 50 cents, 57 cents to 58 cents. 2023, 59 cents, and then 62 cents to 63 cents. Now, their dividend growth in 5 years is 9.00% which is great. And if you bought one share, you made 228 with a 9.19% dividend yield. I own all these dividend stocks. Some of them are inside SCHD, so this is one thing that's nice. I plan on being long in these dividend stocks, so I'm just going to be very transparent before I jump to my disclaimer. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I will have a video for you tomorrow with what I did with TSLY. So take care and have a great Friday, and I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use this YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. This is strictly for entertainment purposes only. I'm going to repeat that. If you are looking for financial advice or tax advice, speak to a tax advisor or somebody that's a financial advisor or somebody that is certified to do either. This is for entertainment purposes only. I own these dividend stocks. If something drastically happens, I will sell them, dividend cut, or just something drastic, I will sell them. I do own these. I absolutely plan on getting to 400 shares in all of these dividend stocks. Investing is a big risk, so be aware of that, that you have to do your due diligence because there is always a risk of losing money when you invest in anything, stocks, crypto, real estate, etc. Take care and have a great Friday.